Imagine recording your screen once and letting AI handle the entire editing process for you. This is the idea behind SuperDemo, an AI-powered platform that turns a simple screen recording into a fully interactive product demo. We'll jump in. All right, guys, we're taking a look at SuperDemo. Let's go. So here we can see the SuperDemo right here, the website. We're going to take a look. So all you got to do, screen record it, make it look awesome, and you're good to go. It's very, very simple. So we're taking a look here. I am scrolling through. You just do that screen recording and the AI does the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. So there's a few things to do. So we can come here. We can actually see that it is a Chrome extension. So you can install it on Chrome. So if you're using Chrome, it's very easy to do. You just hit record and then it starts recording. And also nice here, you can get HTML and get a walkthrough of the product of your choice. Then you just play back the demo and you can see how it looks. So first we're going to do our recording. So I'm just going to play around with this, capture some things, see how it looks. And we're going to go ahead and do a little capture here. Boom, boom. So I got the capturing right here for the presentations. And this is just capturing it right here. So as I'm recording, you can see what I'm doing. And you can do anything you want. So anything you can capture, you can make happen. So I have this here. I can go ahead and generate it. So we have all our information here. I think this is looking pretty good. So I'm just going to click here so I can see presentations. I'm just clicking through. So basically, I'm just recording this to show you how it works. And you can record anything you want after this. So I have all our information here. And then shortly, I'm going to go ahead and end this. So let's go to Claude now. Let's go ahead and just play around with Claude, get our recording in. So here you can see SuperDemo MC. You can connect it to an AI assistant like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. And this is really, really good. There's a, guide you can go through and understand how to do that. So if you're not sure how to do that, be sure to check out the guide. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my MCP right here. So after we've done that, what we're going to do, we're just going to use a nice little prompt. We're going to make it look nice. We're going to show how the AI rewrites a hotspot, text, all that cool, good stuff, and different things that we can do. So here we're authorizing the MCP connection, and that is good. So here I can paste in my prompt. So here we can see the text. Now I can add zooms, key steps, generate something natural, nice sounding, like a voiceover for each step. And the nice thing is you can take a look at every single change as the AI goes through and make sure it works. So now I can come in and paste this in. This looks really good. So now I can use this wherever I want. Use a website, I can embed it as a link, I can embed it wherever I want. So it's really, really good. Look at this, updating hotspots, generating voiceovers. We can see that. So it's rewriting the hotspot text. It's adding zooms, key steps, like I was talking about, generating natural sounding voiceovers for each step. And this looks really, really good. So now I can come and put this wherever I want, link, or if I want to embed it somewhere. And the MCP setup only takes a couple of minutes. So the AI has a nice clean setup and it really fits into any workflow you want. So here we're taking a look. We can see that the design looks good here. I'm liking the links and this checks out. So guys, that is super, super simple to do. You can copy the link. And if you want AI to handle the editing on your next product demo, the link is in the description to try SuperDemo for free. And that is the video for today. So if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think of SuperDemo below. Catch you in the next one.